Hello, folks. So today I will talk about how you can build a simple form to change the theme of your app. Custom, like you can customize every element like this. So let me give you the demo first, like what theme I am talking about. So basically, like if you see in some application, you have multiple themes like dark mode theme, light mode theme. So yeah, you can customize those themes by providing the user the ability, like you can provide some options to them, like what color they want to change. So if I show you one example here. Okay, so let me add some routes here. Uh, so here I'm talking about the theme component. So you have to learn this thing. You must have little knowledge of Angular. That will be great. Otherwise, you need to watch my other videos to get more idea of how these things work, how the form works, all those things in Angular. So here, what I have added, like learn, like in some applications we have the option to dark and light mode theme. Okay, so this is very raw. So here, if you see, like what theme, what color you want to change of that, what section. So footer, card, navigation. So these are all options we have, or you can customize, like I want to change the font color to red and navigation color too. So yeah, you can change the color. So what it gives, it will give us the color code. So if you see here, set footer background color. So if you see here, so now it's basically, if you see, it means we are get selecting the color, and after submit, yeah, we can change the style. So currently, yeah, this is demo project. So here we got all the values that we filled, and yeah, I'm changing currently the background color. So in your application, yeah, you can change it like that. So how you can achieve this thing? So to achieve like this functionality, what you can do? So here we just simply created. So this is a template form. So here we just simply, as we know, like in the Angular we have two types of approach: reactive and template driven. So this is a template driven form. So here we just create simple input, like we just created the inputs, like if you see here, the navigation color, like whatever according to your project, what colors you are working on, what sections you have. So yeah, you can customize it and add your sections here, like button, card, font, button, footer, footer text alignment. So we will take those values, and here I just created GS form. So this is a form that we have. So now we have ng form. So after submitting the value, it will give us the result data. So if you see here on submit, what I am doing, so we will get the form, and under the value, we will get all those values and all. And so here, so after submitting, what I was doing, like I am changing the background color to this color. So yeah, you can implement this thing easily in your project. And and also just quickly check like what modules have imported. So you must have imported these modules in the project, like form module and all. So with that, you can achieve that thing. And so here I have a JSON pipe to show all this data, and on the submit, I'm just showing all those values that are submitted here. Yeah, that's a good guide regarding that those changes, and you can customize it. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and if you have any doubt, you can comment it, and you can check my other videos and support my channel. Yeah, thanks guys for watching.